This is Otis. Otis is 42 inches tall from his feet to the top of his head. The head is completely carved out of wood. Mouth works good. It's a ring lever. He just has slits for eyes because he's always angry. The body is wood frame covered in cloth. The legs are stuffed and the arms are stuffed. The head off the back, you can see, is cut. The shirt is cut out so you can get your hand in here. You don't have to go up underneath the shirt. He comes dressed as seen here. You see we got the fun fur for the gray hair for him. Mouth works good. So you use your finger or your thumb, whichever you prefer to use, and you can use your left or right hand. I find this works very well this way. So if you are interested in him, you can contact me on my Facebook page. Look under Daniel Cosno. Or you can see how he's made on my YouTube channel. So that is Otis. Thanks for watching.